Your beauty is so enticing to this individual, and other people are noticing it. And other people are noticing it. I might as well say it out loud because people can see. Okay, so this individual is mesmerized by you. You know, they find your energy, your beauty, I should say, to be so hypnotic. You're very striking and you definitely do stand out. So, some people are not shocked by why this person is attracted to you, because some people have the same feelings for you, but other people, even if they don't feel romantically attracted to you, they can acknowledge your beauty, your gorgeousness is what Spirit's saying to me, and your elegance. You're very poised and graceful, and you have this classic beauty. You are very regal as well, and there's a sophistication about you. And I feel like you have very striking features. Some of you could have light hair, blonde hair, but there's something about your stature. Okay, you could have a very powerful body. I'm thinking Meg Stallion. Some of you could be very athletic built, some of you could be very curvaceous, and you're extremely attractive. So, regardless of if people are romantically attracted to you or not, there's no denying the fact that you are universally appealing, and you have a body that is, I'm hearing, statuesque. Like, your stature is very powerful, very strong, and you just have this way about you whereby you walk with confidence, and you stand out wherever you are. You stand out and you've captured this person's eye. And I'm just seeing an image of people like sniggering and nudging each other, like, look, there he comes, or there she comes, look, they're you know, they're blushing now, or they're getting nervous. And I feel like that could be the thing. Whenever this individual sees you, they could start blushing, because I'm looking at the red roses there. They could go red in the cheeks. They could start getting flustered. If they're talking to someone, they could start getting tongue tied. So that's kind of giving things away that they are feeling you. Or for some of you, this person may just blatantly stare at you, and they may not realize that they are. For some of you, they realize that other people have cottoned on to the fact that they are staring at you a little bit longer than they should be. So what they may have done, or what they may be doing, is they try and act normal when you're around now. They try and act nonchalant. And I feel like this person is trying to downplay their obsession with you. But people have read into this. People sense the energy shift whenever you're around. You know, people have seen how this person behaves with you. For some of you, I'm hearing the word territorial. They don't want to let you go. There's a possessive energy that this person has over you. So again, people have caught this individual staring at you even when they don't see other people staring at them. You know, they feel like they've kept this side to them under wraps. And they fear other people knowing about how they feel about you. And this could be due to the fact that for some of you, you may work with this individual. For others of you, this person is uncomfortable with emotions, and you are inspiring and triggering certain emotions that they have never experienced before, or that they are trying to repress, because this person is indeed a control freak. And I feel like for them, having these emotions for you makes them feel out of control. You know, it's extremely uncomfortable, but they are drawn to your light, and other people can sense this, and they have witnessed this, and they have seen this. For some of you, people may have asked them, are you dating him? Are you dating her? And they may have said, like, no, I'm not dating him. I'm not dating her. Or, have you got feelings for him? Have you got feelings for her? Or, do you like him? Do you like her? Do you find them attractive? And they have straight out denied it, guys. I'm really sorry to say, they've straight out denied it. They've acted as if they had no emotion for you. And this is like a person that can be poker faced. And in the past, they may have convinced others that unfortunately it was one-sided. Like they may have even, I'm getting an energy of someone like, no, they like me, but I had to just like basically fight them off. I ain't got no emotions for them. I ain't got no feelings for them. I don't know why they thought that in the first place, is what I believe happened for some of you. For others of you, I feel like this person may have said, they may have said, you know what, I find them attractive, but I don't like them in that way. Or I feel like I couldn't get someone like that. They're out of my league. So they kind of deflected it onto you not finding them attractive, but not revealing their emotions for you. But secretly, they were trying to hide their emotions because there's a lot of fear here. This person's quite paranoid about people finding out. They're very private. And I feel as if some of you could belong to the same group, club, organization as this individual. You may meet up at a club, and some sort of venue, some sort of gathering where a lot of people go to this gathering. You could belong to the same friend group, or this could be a friend of a friend. And this person just feels like, number one, you are just striking. They see how other people are drawn to you. They see how you stand out from everyone else. They see that they feel like you're different. They feel like you're from another galaxy. They've never met anyone as unique as yourself. Like, you're so captivating. Not much can hold this person's interest, but you do. This person could have a very, very short attention span. They're not really interested in getting to know new people. This is the type of person that just sticks to the same old friends, or, nothing really excites this person. This person has two sides to them, where they stick to the same old, and stick to certain routines and finds excitement in those routines. But with you came in with a bang, and it's like, wow. And they're thinking of ways of getting close to you. For some of you, this person could message you, they could call you, or they could just be watching you on social media under another name, or they could be watching you on social media without following you. For others of you, I feel like this person could be in a relationship already. That's why they've tried to downplay their emotions, because they know it's inappropriate. They know, but it doesn't stop them from fantasizing about being with you. And they feel like it's wrong. And this person would risk it all to experience you. For others of you, this person could be single, but at the same time, they feel like you could be entertaining other people. Or they feel like you wouldn't want to be in a relationship with them, or they won't be good enough in some way. And this is why they hide their emotions. But in an ideal world, they do feel like, you know what, I would love to be with someone like that. And the thing is, whatever they're thinking in their head, other people know. So no matter how hard they try and hide their emotions and try and act stoic and unbothered, people are not buying it. People feel like they're goo goo gaga. I don't know why I said that. But people feel like they go goo goo gaga whenever you are around. Like, it's like you put some sort of spell on them without even meaning to. There's something very Neptunian and otherworldly and mystifying and magical about you. You're very hypnotic to this individual. And this person just feels like they're in some sort of trance whenever you're around. So they can downplay this all they want. People cotton on. They have not been smart enough in regards to hiding how they feel. They thought they literally blocked their emotions. Maybe they've convinced themselves, but not other people. Other people can see how they're feeling you. Other people can see how they're trying to be near you, trying to talk to you. Other people see the looks and how often they try and make an acquaintance with you, try and make conversation. People can see it, trying to get close to you, trying to make excuses to talk to you. especially when you guys go out. You may have went out with this person. You may have met this person whilst out with other friends. You excite this person. And this is weird because it's like, spiritually, this person is like, I gotta get him, I gotta get her. But physically, it's like they're trying to stay in one spot, stand stoic, dismiss their emotions, but something's going to switch in the number one year, which is 2026. And when Saturn goes into Aries and when Neptune goes into Aries, I feel like this person's going to make a move. And the thing is, spiritually, they've already made a move. That's why everyone else can see what's going on. But I feel like their physical is going to align with their spiritual. And they're basically going to expose to everyone what everyone knew already, how much they're feeling you, how much they are attracted to you, how much they like you. They're going to stand in some sort of power of theirs, and they're going to, some sort of power that they needed to stand in from before, and they're going to make it be known to everyone and to themselves that it's you that they want.